The best bathroom scrubbers reviews. Bathrooms constantly get exposed to bacteria, soap scum, hair dirt, and more. Hence, you need the best bathroom scrubber and cleaning agents to remove dirt and stains. Bathroom scrubbers are available in various sizes and can be used for different tasks. To assist you in finding the perfect scrubber and help you keep your bathroom clean, we've rounded up the finest bathroom scrubbers in this post. So, pick one from the list to suit your cleaning requirements and make this otherwise unpleasant task more bearable. Number 1. Best Corrosion-Resistant All-Purpose Drill Brushes by Drill Brush Power. The kit includes 3 brushes of different shapes and sizes for cleaning bathroom surfaces. These power brushes are made of medium-hard nylon bristles that can be connected to any cordless drill. Use these power scrubber brushes to clean sinks, bathtubs, shower doors, fiberglass enclosures, baseboards, and porcelain. What we like. Convenient to change heads. Have corrosion-resistant plating. A round brush is useful in cleaning corners. Affordable. Durable. What we don't like. May be difficult to use. Number 2. Best Durable. Holikme 4-pack Drill Brush Power Scrubber Cleaning Brushes. With a set of 3 different brushes, Holikme can effectively clean tiles, floors, bathroom surfaces, bathtubs, grout, etc. This power scrubber comes with an extended reach attachment, which makes it easier to clean hard-to-reach spaces. The scrubber is made of durable stainless steel. What we like. Nylon bristles may not clean surfaces. Attachments fit most of the cordless drills. Magnet and slip joint promises better control. Can be used for different cleaning purposes. Saves time and energy. What we don't like. May not be useful in cleaning corners. Number 3. Best Waterproof. Homitt HM115C Electric Spin Adjustable Cordless Bathroom Cleaner. Homitt offers a pack of ultra-wide brushes, a small flat brush for cleaning smaller areas, a round stiff brush for cleaning bathtubs, sinks, toilets, and a corner scrubber for cleaning grout, edges, and corners. The high-quality cordless bathroom scrubber is powered by rechargeable batteries, which can run for 1.5 hours on a complete charge of 3.5 hours. Depending on the cleaning area's size. It has a rotation speed of 300 RPM. What we like. Allows adjusting and tilting the heads. Comes with a 21-inch extendable handle made of stainless steel. Useful in cleaning hard-to-reach areas. Includes brush heads for different cleaning needs. Has waterproof brush heads. What we don't like. May not work on grouts. Number 4. Best Overcharge Protection. Tilswall Electric Spin Scrubber with 4 replaceable rotating brush heads. You can use Tilswall Electric Bathroom Scrubber to switch from manual to automatic cleaning. Rechargeable batteries power the rotating scrubber, so you save energy, time, and effort. The electric scrubber is made of metal and has a patented poly ring structure. 4 multifunctional brushes with thick and long PC bristles allow you to clean the bathroom effectively. What we like. Durable and strong design. Comes with a corner as well as a point brush. Designed to withstand high resistance. Comes with over-discharge and overcharge protection. Allows handle adjustments. What we don't like. Brush heads may be difficult to change. Number 5. Best Long Handle. Eyliden Tub Tile Scrubber Brush. If you are tired of bending, kneeling, stretching, or crouching while cleaning your home, the Eyliden Tub Tile Scrubber Brush can be a good solution. With a 180-degree rotation and a flexible brush head, this product ensures deep cleaning and scrubbing. Its handle can extend up to 49 inches, making it convenient and comfortable to use. The brush also has a hanging holder for easy storage. What we like. Replaceable brush heads. Sturdy and durable material. Thick sponge pad for effective cleaning. Lightweight. Multi-purpose. What we don't like. May not be scratch-proof. May not be easy to use. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cole products as it will make your life much easier.